और भारतीय छात्र संसद का एक कार्य और भी है, और वो ये कि अपने युवा छात्र नेताओं को, उनकी आवाज़ को आप तक पहुंचाने का। और ये काम हम भारतीय छात्र संसद के मंच से प्रतिवर्ष करते हैं, अपने युवा छात्र नेताओं को मंच पर बुलाते हैं और वो आज के विषय पर अपनी बात को रखते हैं सामने। और ऐसे ही एक युवा छात्र नेता जो कि जम्मू कश्मीर से आए हैं, नाम है राशिद अल्ताफ, श्री माता वैष्णो देवी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट के छात्र हैं। आज के विषय पर अपने विचार रखेंगे राशिद अल्ताफ।
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Rashid Altaf, and I bring greetings from the land of Jammu and Kashmir to the land of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and to the people of Maharashtra. I find this offensive. This is a sentence that most of us might have heard quite often. Somebody says something, somebody else finds it offensive, and an argument starts. So naturally, there are two sides to this argument. One says that he's exercising his freedom of speech. The other says that he's exercising too much of his freedom of speech. This brings us to our topic. How much is too much? Well, the idea of freedom of expression is quite simple. I must have the freedom to express myself. And if I see anybody messing with my future and the future of my country, I should have the freedom to point that out. But the simplicity of this idea ends when the Article 19(2) of our constitutions ironically put certain reasonable restrictions on my freedom of speech, based on vague terms like public order, morality, decency. Who decides what is reasonable? Who decides what is moral? Not only this, the final nail in the coffin of our freedom of speech is when you try to criminalize it. Defamation is a criminal offense and can get you a maximum sentence of up to 2 years. But ironically, at the same time, under Section 352 of IPC, you can get a maximum sentence of just 3 months for assault. This means that if a person threw ink on somebody, he knows that he'd be getting a lesser sentence than if he had used the same ink for writing against that person. Try to think of that. Why is it so hard for people to realize that we are sabotaging our own freedom? Why is it so hard to understand that it is our hypocrisy and the irony of our system that is taking us down? Let me explain. On January 7th, 2015, 2 terrorists barged into the office of a French satirical magazine called Charlie Hebdo. They killed 12 journalists and injured 11 others. It was a tragedy, and everybody went in their support. Even in India, we held candle marches, and everybody was shouting at the top of their lungs, "Je suis Charlie, je suis Charlie." France should be allowed to say whatever it wants. But if we're in India, we're going to hold a debate to see how much freedom of expression should be given to you. I'm not against this. But what I'm trying to say is that we are trying to put restrictions on freedom of speech in a country which doesn't have a perfect free speech system in the first place. Even a country like Zimbabwe has more modern free speech laws than us. They have decriminalized defamation, and so has UK and many other modern European countries. So why not us? But after all this, what people don't realize is that free speech is different from hate speech. Does my freedom of speech allow me to say whatever I want without any fear of consequences? No. But my freedom of speech means that the fear of offending somebody should not stop me from saying whatever I think is right. And that is what we have to stand up for. I'd like to exit by saying, thank you. I'd like to exit by saying that the future of our country lies by letting the youth of our nation open themselves up and not trying to figure out what they should and should not say. I beg you, to everybody present, especially the youth of this country, that please wake up and realize what we are trying to push ourselves towards. This is what India needs. But at the same time, remember that freedom of speech does not mean you're free from the consequences of your speech. Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच राशिद अल्ताफ। और राशिद अल्ताफ का भी यहाँ स्वागत अभिनंदन करेंगे भारतीय छात्र संसद के मंच से। तो युवाओं को आगे आना चाहिए, उनको अपनी बात को रखना चाहिए और उसमें उन्हें किसी भी तरह का डर नहीं होना चाहिए। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अल्ताफ, राशिद अल्ताफ जम्मू कश्मीर से।